Alright, I don't know about you guys, but I'm sick of losing out on easy money, on basically free money. Last weekend, I posted an update video talking about how the SPY was going to sell off. This was expected across the board. We saw Michael Burry grab a ton of puts following that video up, talking about cycles, talking about why the SPY is going to have a slight correction. And also, we knew it was going to happen on several different tickers, and guess what? It happened, and I missed it. And I know several other people missed it as well. I was talking to a friend, and we were talking about how it's kind of getting sick missing out on easy money and easy plays. So without further ado, guys, we have some stuff to go over with AMC, SPY cycles, XRP, Bitcoin, and overall market cycles in general to expect what is about to come over the next couple of weeks and how we can actually make money off it and capitalize off of it. All I ask you guys to do in return, please hit the like button. It's free. It helps me out. Also hit the subscribe button, have post notifications on. Let's get into the video. So our favorite tickers, but not only that, the overall market goes through these market phases, and we expected this sell-off. Now, SPY has already started correcting, down 5.56%. Of course, it rallied for the year of 2023 so far, so this correction is maybe not complete just yet. However, other corrections did have the similar outcome, sitting around 5 to 6%, but other ones not so much, down 19%, down 11%. Now, what do I have drawn out here? What are the red arrows? What are these cycle boxes that I have drawn out? Each and every single setup, each and every single segment is from August 1st to October 1st. This is a 2-month time frame, August and September. Okay, this is when the market goes through these cycles and these particular phases, and this is why it's so annoying that we miss part of it, but not the whole pie. Take a look. This happens with our favorite stocks, and we're going to get into it. The scale up, the peak, the sell off. Following that, we get a rip. Same thing here. Following that, we get a rip. Same thing here. Following it, we get a nasty rip. And guess what? We are in that cycle all the way until October 1st. Now, this is going to have temporary moves to the upside as soon as October 1st hits, and I will be entering on that day, if not October 2nd. I'm going to be entering bullish on several different plays for a couple weeks hold, and I'm going to explain why. Now, you can see Bitcoin goes through these cycles as well. Had a major rip back here in 2020, another rip back here. But again, only a couple weeks hold because a lot of times it does start to sell off even further, like you saw. And also other times it could not play into your favor, which is something that we're going to talk about. Just like this cycle down here, where we actually found a second low a little bit later, come November 11th or so. Now, I am now using this line for Bitcoin and crypto to base off of, is Bitcoin oversold or is it overbought? I will be purchasing under this line, which is where we're sitting now, and I will be selling above the line. No more, no less. The simple strategy, it's going to continue to go through these cycles, and of course Bitcoin still does have value. Now what we've all been waiting for, XRP, because this is going to be the main driver as to how AMC acts, and I know that's why all of you are here for the video. Now this is trading at 53 cents. We have been tracking cycles on this, but if you pay attention to the same August-September cycles that the market plays out, this is what you're going to find with XRP. We had one back here where we ripped following that, had this crash, and then came up and ripped when AMC and GameStop ran to $500 and where the buy button was taken away. And then we had one here, and in between we actually had this bearish case scenario, which is what you saw with Bitcoin, which is what you saw with AMC, and which is what you saw with several different plays across the board. And now the sentiment has shifted from those all-time highs in 2020 and 2021 when making money was easy to now trying to actually read the markets. So what is going to happen with XRP, AMC, GameStop? Where's the point of interest? Well, this is what I wanted to get into. XRP, we based our cycles back off of the rip before January prior, and the cycles have been playing out very close with XRP, and this is something that we are going to see. So we came down, we hit this low, XRP slowly starting to scale back up. We're going to trade in this channel until October, and by the end of September, we're going to be at the top of this channel. Okay, so by the end of September, I think XRP comes back up to around 75 cents. Then this is going to be the turning point. Okay, all the way into October 10th or so. This is where you see bullish or bearish case scenario, and this is of course going to be A, what's happening with the SEC appeal on XRP, and B, also what is happening with overall crypto and the stock market in general during this time frame. Okay, so is the SPY going to be done correcting, or is it going to correct even further, go deeper into a recession, so on and so forth. But at this point, you have that point of interest happening where the cycle played again in November, like when Bitcoin sold off even further. August September cycle played out, and then we had a second low, November 13th. XRP, this would be the same exact time frame. Are we going to sell off even further into April of 2024, or are we going to get that next leg up, that next squeeze? So now it's time to stop losing on easy money. If you take a look at the AMC options chain, you'll see that most of it is empty except for October 15th. We know AMC tracks XRP, which is interesting because this is going to be the point of interest as to where XRP is going to show whether we're going to rip or go into a bearish cycle. So whether we are going to go into a bullish or bearish cycle, and that is exactly when AMC's options chain is loaded up. Over 1 million puts and almost 400,000 calls in total currently as we speak. Now, I'm just going to throw it out there. This is what is going to happen with AMC. All in my opinion, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. We're coming back up. We're going to retest this descending trend line that AMC is trading right around $4.85 at minimum, if not breaking over to $5.25. And then we are going to sell off even further. Okay, we still have that September point of interest. However, the entire market is sitting in a cycle which is more than likely going to take AMC with it on this slight sell-off before getting that major rip. However, AMC, of course, is different because there is a major catalyst at play here, and it's the reverse split conversion, and we are still waiting to see with what happens to that. So even if I am right, the point of this is to make money off of other plays while we are sitting on our hands with AMC. GameStop came down to my buy level right around $18.11. I got this 12% drop, bounced off of this trend line, and I'm buying more on Monday at market open. GameStop, of course, is still in this cycle, but I think we are due for a bounce here, even for an easy gain. So easy gains here are wait till October 1st, go bullish, go long for a couple of weeks, and take profits. That's my goal here. That's my plan here, and I wanted to share it with you guys because I don't get to talk to you guys as much as I do with the people in Discord. Now, a little touch on AMC stuff. So for many of you guys wondering about the $13.33 settlement dividend glitch by Schwab, this was actually a fake Schwab account. It wasn't the legitimate Charles Schwab page talking about the wrong dividend data that is supposed to be given out to us. Now, Webull still showing resistance at $140 for AMC and $7,000 for GameStop. You can see over here $140 for a resistance level over on AMC, and then a $7,106 resistance line for GameStop over on Webull. You guys let me know your thoughts on this in the comments down below. And finally, death cross for China real estate, negative 80%, could lead a real crash. Not joking. Evergrande was the biggest real estate company, and earnings is August 27th. Hedge funds use it as collaterals to bet against America, but soon worth nothing. Margin calls are about to be on their way. Now guys, before we move on, make sure to pop in the Discord before the week starts. The link is right under the video. You guys really got to start making money in your trades if you guys aren't making money. I'm going to post my trades as soon as I take them in Discord. I'm in there on the daily. Plus, we all talk stocks all day long, so make sure to pop in the Discord. The link is right under the video, and it's literally $1.99 a month. Also guys, get up to 16 free stocks and a free Tesla or Google stock, each valued up to $2,000 per stock. Top of the description and pinned in the top of comments. Signing up and making a deposit of even $1, you guys will get benefits from there. Now, Ripple reveals over 8 countries are building CBDCs on XRP. BlackRock just acquired 100,000 Ether at an average price of $1,664. And U.S. banks suffer $18 billion in losses as JP Morgan Chase and Capital One take big hits from bad loans. Finally, U.S. government debt will rise by $5.2 billion every day for the next decade. And here is what is coming this week. Existing home sales data on Tuesday, U.S. services PMI on Wednesday, new home sales data on Wednesday as well, core durable goods data on Thursday, as well as initial jobless claims, and finally on Friday, Fed Chair Powell speaks. Here comes volatility in the market. Overall guys, that is my Sunday update video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching or found value out of the video. Make sure to hit the like button on your way out, share the video, drop a comment down below. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.